Tanin Auto Electronics here. Today we had a customer that wanted to upgrade their 2013 and up Dodge Ram cluster from the standard version with the single screen here to the premium version here. And you'll see a lot more information and displays, but we changed the mileage for him. We upgraded just to match his old one, the mileage here, and then the engine hours, the idle and drive time. So this is one of the services we can provide. This customer drove a little bit of a ways from another state to get this done. He actually brought the clusters, so we just updated his data in the cluster for him. For the most part, these are plug and play. I don't believe you need any type of VIN or software programming. However, if you get a 2013 cluster and you have a later model truck, you will have a TPMS error, just differences in the cluster itself. So reach out to us for any of your cluster needs, mileage programming, odometer programming, all that kind of stuff we do. Thanks for watching. Bye.